Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I am here with a design team bag from Crafty Me Shop, the group on Facebook that Esme has generously sent the DT members another DT bag, and it will have mostly, I believe, new items to showcase before the sale tomorrow. So I took it out of the bag because it really crinkles, and I know some don't like to hear that. So I just took everything out of the bag and set it to the side, and I'll just show you everything that was in the bag. And if you haven't, a link to the group will be in the description box. You can go and join, and there's a sale usually every weekend, starting on Friday, ending sometimes on Saturday, sometimes on Sundays. And if there isn't a sale a certain weekend, then Esme usually posts that there won't be a sale. So if you have any questions, you can put them down in the description, in the comments, and I'll answer them the best that I can. So let's get started. Okay, first I have this. It's so pretty. And you can cut these like from here to here, and you'd get quite a few in a yard of this. And I do have this, but I only got 1 yard of it, so I'm glad that this was included in my package. Let's just, I guess we can put it there. And then I got 2 of these, and I think at least one of them, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the inside and use this as a frame. I might even cut this off just to be different, but it'll depend on the style that I'm working on at the time. But I got 2 of those. And then I got this beautiful cream. We call it the peacock dangle. And there's different lengths of dangle. I like this one. I think I like this one the best. There's some that have like, I think 3 rows, and then the dangles, these little dangles here are much longer. But I like this size too. And I don't have cream. I think is one of the only colors I don't have. And then there's this, and it's so pretty, and it's so soft. Make sure I have the right, yep. So there's this one, and it's a cream color. It's kind of overcast today, and it's supposed to rain tonight. Again, it rained last night, so my lighting probably isn't the best. I do have the light over my webcam, but I'm not sure if it makes much of a difference. I know it takes a lot of the shadowing away, and that's the main reason why I use it. Here's another, what we call CMS. This one here, and this is so pretty too. They're all just beautiful. And this is also more, this is more of a white. This is a cream, and this is, I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference. And this is bright white, and also unbelievably soft. The quality is just amazing. So there's that. And then this is in peach, a light peach. And it's a cute little trim. But you can also turn these into little pieces too, like from here to there, and use them in in different ways. which I do. Now that I've gotten into what I'm calling faux embroidery, I like the idea of using pieces like this too. I just have to figure them out. And then there's this applique, little applique here. And there's this, and I know you're not going to see the colors. I don't, unless you can see them now. The leaves are such a pale, pale green, and the flowers are a pale pink. I love this. I also got it in my order. I think I might have, I have to see, I might have put my order, and it wasn't a big one, it was just a few yards, in this pile, so I'll let you know, because I know what I ordered and what I didn't. There's this one. And I have a feeling I might have ordered this. I know I ordered one of these, and I did get one in the bag, so you'll see two of those. But I think this might be part of my order, because I know I ordered this one. I'm almost positive I ordered that one. Let me see if I can tell. No, you know what? I'm probably not going to be able to tell. But anyway, so here's a French trim, and I know this was in the DT bag because I think it was in the sale this past weekend, but I didn't get to it. So there's this one, and these are beautiful. And this was DT bag. Let me see if, oh, that's so pretty. This is another French. I finally figured out what you can tell is French with these trims and what isn't, because Esme did have a American made that was French, I guess you could call it inspired, and I immediately said, oh, okay, now I know the difference, because it is a little different. Not a lot, but it is a little bit. And then there's this one. I love this. And this is, I believe it's brand new. So there's that one. And there's this one. These are all from the bag, because I know I didn't, these weren't in my order. And like I said, I think I only ordered maybe 4 things this past weekend. So there's that. And there's this. I love this. This is like a cream color. And it's also in pink, which I got last week, and I think I showed in my video of last week. I got the cream and the pink. But I only usually order 1 yard of each thing, so I'm happy to have another yard of it. I think what I'm going to do with this is, well, you can use the individual hearts, right? You can just cut them. But I think I'm going to cut the 2 ends off and use some of it as a full trim, just like that. We'll see. I'm keeping all the new stuff separate so I use it in my design team projects. And here's this collar. And again, now I don't use this as a collar because I mainly do journals now, and you know, things like that. So I wouldn't use it as a collar, but I would do is cut out these individual flowers, and the pearls are hand sewn, so I'll have to hot glue on the back so that I don't lose any pearls. But there's two different size flowers. I love this tiny, tiny flower. This is going to go with my faux embroidery. I will be doing a live in the group at some point showing how I did that, how I made it. Here's an applique. These are so pretty. And I know Esme has dyed some of them in the past. This is white. Well, you can see it's bright white. But I think I have it in like a tea or coffee dyed color. And what other color? Maybe pink. I'm not sure. Okay, and then there's this trim. I almost put in for this one this past weekend, and I just, I think I just forgot, but it's so pretty. And I love the size. And there's like 2 yards of that one. Thank you so much, Esme. This is all just beautiful. And then there's this heavily pearl and sequin applique. I think I did get one of those. That's one of the things in my order. Then she sent a string of pearls, and it's a peach color. They're peach, very light peach. And I usually use those, like I'll cut it there, and I usually use those as a hanger if I'm making a wall, what I call a wall hanging, doily wall hanging, which that may be a project that I do in the near future, sometime this month. Here's another little dangle, and yeah, there's like 3 yards of that one. This is pretty too. And this is white. White or ivory, maybe. This is like crazy. And then this is a pink eyelet, which I don't have. Let me put it down here. Maybe, yeah, that probably helps. But it's a pale pink. It's not bright, which I love. And then there's this one, which I don't believe I have any of this. And again, such a generous amount. And you can like cut that here and get 2 different trims. You'd get this trim here. Let me see. This trim here. And then you'd get this trim here. So I love that when Esme gets laces like that and trims, that you can get more than, if you get a yard, you actually can get 2 or 3 yards out of that 1 yard. Oh, okay. Okay, now I see my order. Okay, so we're still doing the DT bag. So then there's this. I don't know why it looks almost like a fleur-de-lis to me. And this is in cream. And then this, which is, they're like tiny, I think either seed beads or bugle beads. And then the pearls. And you can cut it. I don't believe you need to hot glue the back, but I'm going to the first time I use this just in case. But this makes a pretty trim too. And then there's this really wide, this is like 12 inches wide at least. This is beautiful. This is also a cream color. Look at that. It's just beautiful, and it's so soft. And then I believe there's one more piece to the DT bag. Let me, this one here. And I don't believe I've seen this one. So this may go into this tomorrow's sale. But look at how pretty that is. And this is cream also. That's really, really beautiful. Perfect for a journal. Okay, so that's my DT. Holy moly. All right, let me put this over to the side, or there's not going to be enough room to show you my small, very small haul from the sale from last weekend. I won't take all of it. I'll just do some of it so that I have some room. Okay, so this is my haul. So I got this in the DT bag too. So now I'll have 2 yards of it. And this you can cut. If you wanted to, you could cut right down the middle. You could cut these flowers out individually and use them like on top of a larger flower. Excuse me. There's just so much you can do with a lot of these trims. And then I did get one of these. And I'm not positive, but I do think she said this was French also. And yeah, I did get one of these. And one was in my DT bag. So there's that. And then I got this one. I think this is different though from the one in the DT bag. I'm not positive. So there's that one. And then the last one I got, and this is so pretty. It's the palest pink. Maybe you can see it down here. I'm not sure. But let me see. Get a ruler, because this is really wide. Oh, it's a foot wide or tall. And look at how pretty. This is going to be perfect for the background of a journal cover. That's so pretty. Okay, where are we? 18 minutes. Oh, good. So it'll be under 20 minutes. So that's my my haul and my DT bag. So I just want to say thanks so much, Esme. You're just so generous, and I love everything. I'll use everything in this. And I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna keep everything separate. So I remember to use a lot of the new items in my future projects. But hopefully I'll be starting another project within sometime over the weekend, and then maybe try to get it out next week. I'm just not sure what the project will be or how long it'll take me. But yeah, so that's it. That's my haul and DT bag, and I will be back again soon with another video. So bye for now.